Good morning. Hope everyone's had a great weekend and looking forward to the upcoming holidays. I'm here today to give you my awards. So for Math 1 Part 1, my highest award is going to go to Madison Carter. Great job, Madison. Math 1 Part 2, my highest average goes to Brett Victor. Good job, Brett. Math 2 Part 2, my highest average goes to Danielle Prather. Good job, Daniela. And Math 3 Part 1, the highest average goes to Sophie Abrams. Sophie had a highest average of over 99 for the semester. Great job, Sophie. And the highest average for Math 3 Part 2 is Isaac Shujan. Great job, Isaac. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's.